that one like that. Solid. Go on again, that's going to be 4 runs. That's a good shot from Jacob there, down the hill. Well run by Mark and good call by Jacob. Shot by Jacob, that's before runs. Didn't pull that up in time. It's going to be 4 runs as well. Don't know whether there's half a chance. And that's gone for 6 runs. Jacob does that. There's 1 run there. Split that into the leg side. That's gone as well. Just the 1 run. One run there. Whoa, that's a 6 and into the field. I think we'll call that one a big 6. It went quite way back there. Run in. Well run. It's gone down there. So we'll try to run 2. Just the 1. From Jacob. Jacob again pushing it. Could be, John's right. Push it. Oh, it's in the air. It's dropped again in the middle of nowhere. Could be. Oh, I thought that was a good shot. That's only 1.
Here you go, Georgie.
Shot by Jacob, and that's a big 6. It's gone a long way.